To factor this equation, we can use splitting and grouping, but before we do that, what's the first thing we should always try to do with a quadratic? Common factor, something you can divide into all these three numbers, which would be 2. Common factor out the 2 first. It makes it a little bit easier to factor by grouping. We have to find the two numbers that multiply to -120. -8 and +15. And these numbers will add to give us +7. So those are our two numbers. So we'll split them. Remember, when we split them, we have to add the x onto the terms. Minus 8x plus 15x. So the 7x turned into our minus 8x and our positive 15x. -8 plus 15 gives us +7. When we factor inside these parentheses, let's turn those outer parentheses into brackets to keep them separate, and then we'll common factor our x out of the first two terms, and we'll common factor a 15 out of the last two terms, giving us x minus 8 again. Next thing to do is combine the x and the 15 into parentheses. So we'll get x plus 15 times our common parentheses, x minus 8, equals 0. And lastly, we can get rid of the brackets. Now we solve for x. Can you see what x will have to be? So you can see x is either -15 or x is +8. Can the side length be negative? No, so we won't use that one. Therefore, x equals 8.